In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add required fields in DocuSign. Required fields make sure your recipients can't finish signing until every piece of necessary information is completed, which keeps your agreements accurate and prevents delays. Start by opening your browser and heading to DocuSign.com, then sign in to your account. If you're new or using the app, I've placed the official link right at the top of the description so you can get to the correct site quickly and safely. Once you're in, create a new envelope. Click New, choose Send an envelope, and upload the document you want to send. This can be a PDF, Word file, or another supported format. When it's uploaded, click Next. Now add your recipients. Enter each recipient's name and email address, then choose their role, such as senior. If you have multiple people, add them in the order you want them to receive the document. When you're ready, click Next to open the tagging screen where you'll place the fields. On the left panel, you'll see the tools you need. Drag and drop fields like signature, date signed, text, checkbox, and initials onto the exact spots in your document where your recipients need to take action. Try to place fields near the related text to keep everything clear for the signer. To make a field required, click the field you placed to open its field properties. Most fields are required by default, but it's a good habit to confirm. Look for the required field option and make sure it's enabled. If it isn't, turn it on to make that field mandatory. This works for text fields, checkboxes, numbers, and other custom fields. While you're here, consider adding helpful placeholders or brief instructions in the properties so your signer knows exactly what to enter. Next, assign each field to the correct recipient. At the top of the screen, select the intended recipient, then place or reassign fields so the right person is responsible for completing them. Color coding helps you confirm who each field belongs to. Before sending, review everything. Scroll through the document and double-check that all critical fields are marked required and assigned to the correct signer. Use Preview to see exactly what your recipient will experience and to catch anything you might have missed. When everything looks good, click Send. Your recipients won't be able to finish signing until all required fields are completed, ensuring your document comes back complete and ready to go. If this was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.